Hello trader. Today we will take you through step-by-step to make your withdrawal request from your 1PrimeOptions Real account. Go to our official website www.1primeoptions.com and log in with your Real account. Go to the Secure Client area on My Account section and choose Withdrawal and then New Request. Complete the form, specifying the amount you want and click Withdraw. Remember that withdrawals are made only in cryptocurrencies. After clicking Withdraw, a message will appear indicating that you must continue the application via email with our finance department. This means that one of our representatives will contact you to complete the process. Remember, withdrawal requests can take from 20 hours to 72 business hours. If you need additional assistance with your withdrawal, please don't doubt to contact us at info@1primeoptions.com.